I'm here to present our company and our two inventions. So, first, some little words about Showtex. We are a worldwide leader in inventing, manufacturing, selling, installing everything that has to do with fabrics and tracks and motion control systems. Why worldwide? Because we're head office is in Belgium. We have operations in the Netherlands, France, Sweden, UK, Dubai, Hong Kong, and recently also South Africa. So why we say we are inventing stuff? We presented over the years many inventions here at this forum, stretch still in profile, TrusSleeve, so on. It's an ongoing process to invent things. But why do we do that? I have a nice text I got from marketing, but it's I can really not say these things aloud. We do it because we like to do it because it's fun. And because designers, we work a lot with designers who come to our company and say, I have a dream, I have an idea. How can you help us? Sometimes it's with products we already have, products we can combine. Sometimes we just have to invent something new. And that's the real drive behind the company, I might say. The first product I like to present is the TrusSleeve Color. We already had the TrusSleeve in black and white, which was a tremendous success, certainly in white, because I do have a little sample of that one here too. It takes the light extremely well. So all light designers, it was devised in black to start with, to hide trusses. Everybody wants it in white because you can color it so good with lights. Not everybody can work in the dark and work with lighting. Some people have to work into daylight, into ambient lighting. So we thought if we can color these things in any color you want, then we're another step ahead. So now we can make any color that is available, choose it from Pantone colors or RAL colors, and we make it starting from 300 running meter, especially for you in any color you want. The challenge was to have an even distribution because it's a knitted material, and to have in this structure have a nice even spread of color. But it worked very well. We can make very bright colors. All these truss sleeves, they come in two sizes, by the way, one for the larger trusses, one for the smaller trusses. But because they stretch, you can use one size for several types of trusses. It's flame retardant, inherently flame retardant for both the French and the British standard. So this means you can wash it, you can use it outdoors, use it again. And actually that's what happens. People buy a box or a few boxes, they put it on their trusses, use it for a project, cut it up, take it off, wash it, use it again until they're left with all small pieces, and then they have to buy a new box. So it's a reusable material until it's completely unused. You can do some nice things with it. Some inventors, designers made some nice structures with it. This was outside with the white TrusSleeve, I might say. I don't have project pictures of the color TrusSleeve because it's new. Nobody has done any projects with it at this point. This was with the white TrusSleeve. This was for the Miss Belgium contest, by the way. But it's, as you can see, it's the white stuff really transfers the light very good. It's a thing we have with all kinds of stretch materials. So we also make corners. We have two-way corners, three-way corners. So you have to make it really neatly stretched from one piece to the other. And it's a cheap way to make quickly big structures in big halls. That's the TrusSleeve. If there are any questions about this product, because I have another one for you.
You say it can be used outside. It's obviously flame retardant.
Yes.
Right. And you say you can put it in a washing machine. Does that affect its flame retardancy?
No. because it's inherently flame retardant. It's made of Crevera.
So it's not a chemical base.
Nope. It's made the thread that it's made of is flame retardant by itself. So.
Okay, does that mean that it will melt at a certain temperature?
At a certain temperature, it will certainly melt, but
What temperature is that?
not in a. We don't know because we only test towards the standards that are used to prove flame retardancy, either British or French or German standards, and they don't talk about really high temperatures that are inside the sun or something. So. Of course, the procedures, the standards to test materials, for that they're described to have a certain size of sample. You have to apply a certain flame of a certain size to that sample for a certain time, take it away for a certain time, apply it again for a certain time, all depending on the standard that you're using. So it's described in the standard.
Can you cut it and still use it if you have... Yeah. Sorry. Most of the photos, which are very nice by the way, you don't have anything hanging from the truss that you have covered. So
yeah.
Oh, there they are. Okay.
Yeah. So what we basically do is, when you cut it, it stretches around the truss and the cut closes itself, so to speak.
Okay.
But you can also just clamp it over the sleeve on the truss, depending on the clamp you're using, of course.
Right.
But it does not tear or anything.